Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change touch sensitivity on Android. If you want to change your touch sensitivity on your Android phone, so let's see how can you do this. First you have to open your phone settings. In settings, if you have an older version of Android, so you will get the setting in display section. Here you will get the setting of touch sensitivity. You just have to increase or decrease this. But if you have a newer version of Android, so you just have to look for accessibility. Here's that, just tap on it. And here scroll down and look for accessibility option again. Just select it. And here you will get the option of touch and hold delay. But if you won't get it here, you just have to look for time control. Here's that, just select it, and here the option of touch and hold delay, just select it, and here you just have to select one of three options, which is short, medium, and long. If you select medium, so you just have to touch the screen and then it will take some time. If you select long, so your touch will work after almost 1 second or half second. So that's how you can change touch sensitivity of Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.